Hey, what's going on, my friends? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending the time you look at this video. Thank you for tuning in and take your time to see and put attention to what we're doing right here. We're going to do an analysis for this week. We got to do about 6 different pairs. We don't want to do the whole, imagine doing 29 pairs. It will take like, I don't know, a couple hours, 3 hours. Nobody will see those videos. It will be like super long videos. So you're going to look at 6 pairs. You don't need a lot of pairs. All you need to make some money in the markets is 3, 2. Some people do 1 pair and they do good money. As a matter of fact, the more you can focus on 1 pair, the better you'll do. Trust me. I've done it before. But in order, to try to help my subscribers and my channel, I like to do 6, 7 pairs sometimes of analysis. I'm using multiple time frame system made by Tim with Urban. Let me get my one tool right here. It's a great tool. It's working real good with the markets. We have a set of rules that we follow, and there's no way you can lose if you follow the rules correctly, if you're disciplined enough. And that's the key word right there, discipline. You need to work on your psychology, make sure that your psychology is where it's supposed to be as far as the money, especially when you're got money in the table. Sometimes we don't think very clear. So the more you do it, though, the better you'll get. Okay, but try to use rules. Try to always have make notes of all your trades that you do. If the trade doesn't work, try to find out why and learn from it. Don't let any trade go to waste. You need to learn from every trade. The more you do that, the faster you'll get better in trading. Oh, thank you very much. I want to thank all the new subscribers and also new people who are acquiring the system. Welcome to the team. You guys this is going to change your life. Just stay put. We're going to do whatever it takes to make that you guys are going to be successful on this. Okay, so just stay with us. So let's get it going. We're going to start with the USD Mexican peso. This is a very volatile pair right here, USD Mexican peso. Make sure that if you're going to trade this market, start doing it with 0.01 lots. Okay, because if you put a little bit, another number to the left right here, that will be a lot of money. Okay, so you want to be very careful. Just test it first, 0.01. Okay, because the math works different right here. We're talking about decimal points and stuff. So especially for this USD Mexican peso, it's kind of like the gold also. It works a little bit different. So all you got to do is just start with 0.01 and taste the waters, and you can start like that. So what we're expecting for USD Mexican peso, well, we only need to look right here at the 4 hours. What happened here when we had the brothers and sisters right here? Market went up, right? No problems. What happened when the market brothers and sisters showed up right there? The market went extremely down. So look what we have right now. Get rid of this. We have again brothers and sisters showing up right here. Okay, and the market started going up already in the 4-hour time frame. So it's probably going to go a little bit farther. Then we're going to expect a retracement and then to get another impulse to the top. We don't know yet if this is a big reversal that we're waiting. If we look let me look at the 1 day so you can see the whole picture real quick. Oh, we got to learn how to use this tool better. Look at this. This is a 1 day picture. Okay, we had a giant drop. We had a correction, giant drop, and we're due for a correction again. Now, this can be a correction. You know, it can be going all the way to the high of the MA over here, but we don't know yet. Okay, we're just going with the market, and what the market is going to give us is what's going to give us. So we're in a 4-hour right here. Let's wait. I think the market's still going to go higher, and then after that retracement, if you are going to trade this market, wait until we finish this correction right here. Corrections can be sharp corrections, or corrections can be sideways corrections. Okay, there's different ones. So you need to make sure that that is finished, then you can trade it up. But keep in mind that this is, and we know what we're talking about in our room, this is a PB, or a pullback. Okay, so we are going against the river. You can see the river right here coming. Boom. Okay, so be very careful when you're going to do counter trend trades, because you only want to go for a few pips. Then when we have brothers and sisters up here in the future, that'll be a good way to go to the bottom with the master trend, if the master trend continue being the master trend. Okay, so that's what we're expecting for USD Mexican peso. Now, another pair that we have on the look for this week. Let me get rid of all this. And I'm already in there. I am 35 pips in the red. Okay. 1 second. But I'm not ashamed to show that. Okay, so I mean, nobody wins 100% of the time. 1 second. So, we're expecting the market. We're expecting the market to start rising up from that level right there. After that, the market is going to take a retracement or a pullback, however you want to call it. Then we're going to go to say hi to the MA, or to this area over here, to this highs. So we're going to leave that trade right there. Now, where the this trade it's going to invalidate. It's going to invalidate if it breaks this low right here. That's why I have my stop loss right there. If it breaks that low right there, I'm just not going for that trade pretty much. But I'm already in, you know. I'm a very slow lots right here. I have another account where I'm going a little bit stronger, but I never go more than 2% on my account. That way I'm never going to lose my account, because I always never risk more than 2% per trade. And I'm allowed in my rules to do no more than 3-4 trades a week. So I'm never gonna expose more than 5-6% in my account. That way, I'm gonna lose my account like that. I've been trading that at the same account for years, growing it slowly. But you know, because I got the discipline now after years to only stay with 2% every time. Okay. So that's what we're waiting for. Catch APY. That is the move right there that we're waiting for. We'll see if the market help us with that. Okay, if you are new, or if you just on the sidelines, you don't know if you want to join the team, now is the time to do it. We still got another quarter of the year. You can use this coupon JF20, get $20 off, and don't forget to message Tim or Irvin. He will give you an additional $39 off. Don't forget to message me also. That way I know that you bought it, and I can I'd like to help you one-to-one for a few minutes, just to make sure that you're understanding how everything works. Make sure that you're installing the template and the multiple time frame correctly. Thank you very much. But there it is. Okay, use it. If you notice something different, my template today, I changed my candles to the one, I forgot the name, amazing candle, something like that. If you like to get this, these are free. If you want to get it, I want to see it on the messages. Okay, I will send it. Whoever send me a message, I will send that free indicator. Okay, it's pretty clean. You know, it's cleaner than having green, reds, green, reds, green, reds all the time. So it's a good indicator. Okay, so let me know by a message, and I will send you the indicator. Thank you very much for that. Okay, where are we at? CAD JPY. Let's go to GBP and CD. That's another pair that I like to analyze. Okay, what are we waiting for this one? Kind of the same move. Okay. All right, so in the we look at this swing right here. Is the very, very big swing right there where we had brothers and sisters, giant swing, brothers and sisters over here, giant swing to the top, and it never ends. So once you get brothers and sisters, my brothers and sisters, it's an 80 to 90% probability that the market is going to start moving in our direction. And if it doesn't start it, it'll probably move one more low, one more high. It doesn't matter. If you're being disciplined with your account, you'll never lose money that way. This is real accurate. Okay, so we're going 1, 2, 3 move to the top. That's what we're expecting for this pair, GP and ZD. Remember, this pair right here is very volatile. It moves a lot, so let's be ready for it. Okay, and also we have GP USD. I've been looking at this. Oh, let me get rid of that. I want to invite everybody also to see the last video that I did, and I'm going to continue during the week. Price action, how to use multiple time frame, and learning about price action is very important. So it'll help you to understand the markets better. Okay, you don't need it 100% because you have this great system. If you learn this great system and follow rules, you can make a lot of money. But if you learn price action little bit by little, you'll get better. You'll get more confident, pretty much. Okay, so let's go to GPUSD. What are we waiting for? GPUSD. We're waiting for the market to continue in our uptrend. Okay, and in this case, we are going with the master trend. So I will let that to drop maybe a little bit more. It's already doing the correction. Make this a little bigger. This is sideways correction right there. 1, 2, 3. Sideways correction is what we call that. You know, if it goes down like that, that's what we call sharp correction. If it goes sideways, just up, down, that's a sideways correction. Okay, and then once it breaks that, we're waiting for the market to continue with an uptrend. So we'll see what the market is going to give us, but this is what we're expecting. Now, remember, all the pairs are subject to change because of news. So it's your responsibility, my friends and my brothers and sisters, to look at the news before you do any trades. Okay, you don't want to be caught in the middle of news. We got Forex Factory, we got my FX book, different sources where you can see news. Okay, you should know about that. All right, so that's what we're expecting for USD. And let's look at another pair, Euro CAD. We had it right there. On Euro CAD, this is what we're expecting. Okay, and I like this trade because if it continues this way, it's going with the master trend. All right, so we're waiting for a down, correction, and down again. This looks real good. Now, invalidation, or I mean, if this breaks to the top and it breaks and then it retests, it's just gonna go. Okay, so let me explain what I'm trying to say. If this price action right here breaks this high right there, and then it comes back and retests the same level, it's pretty much it's going to continue. Okay, so we got these two options. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave that right there. So, but what we're expecting, according to the rules, according to the master trend, we like to go down from this point. So we'll see how the market goes. Be ready for it. This is a good trade. Okay, and that's the Euro CAD. What else? And the last one I'd like to see is Euro GBP. Boom. All right. Euro GBP. Master trend is coming down. Right now we're doing a PB. Okay. I think it's gonna still move a little bit more, or you can start dropping from there. But this is the area. Now, if it breaks this high right there, I believe the market can come and visit this high. All right, and then start dropping from there. So we got two options, 1 or 2, and I'm gonna leave those two options right there in the chart. I hope they don't raise. I don't know what's going on. Sometimes when we turn it off, this marks go away, but it's not intentionally. I promise. I want to leave them there to see exactly what happened during the week. Well, I gotta leave it right there. 15 minutes. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, please, please don't lose hope on trading. I know it's hard, okay? In the beginning, it's so hard, okay? But now you have a great team. We have a good group, and we're not going to let nobody behind. Nobody left behind, okay? And at least that's my hope, that everybody starts making money, okay? I know how hard it is. It's very hard for me to start making money. But I want everybody in this group to get there, and we're gonna make it together. Okay, please don't lose hope. Send us a message. See what you need. I'm gladly help if you're part of the group already. I will surely put my time so you can be successful on this. But it takes time sometimes. Okay, it just takes time. And one of the sayings that I learned during this week, it takes time to be good, and only time can teach you that. Okay, so it takes time to be good, and only time can teach you that. So yes, that is truth. Okay, but we can definitely break that learning curve and accelerate it when you have a great system, when you have support, and you're just following great tutors also. So thank you very much. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and to analyze this pairs again to see where we are at that point. But please look at the news again. So everything's subject to change, but the market runs normally. That's the way it's supposed to run. Okay, this is Jay Flores, trading with Jay Flores, using multiple time for system made by Irvin. If you are interested in the system, I have the links below the videos. Jump into it. Okay, don't waste your time no more. Don't waste your money. This is the way it is. This is the simplest way you're going to find how to make money in the markets. God bless you all. Stay safe out there. And I'll see you in a few days.